Where we going?
Already?
Yeah.
Child.
You ready to roll, son? You driving, all right?
Good morning, people. Well, good day. T3 is an early bird. So am I. So today we up early. We got to make a Home Depot run. Yeah, T3. So he wanted to get, this is the car seat. This how you act. This how you act. We get in the car seat, y'all. Now you gonna relax. Well, come on, we gotta roll. We gotta go get some work done, man. Come on, all right? Wish me luck, people. This how you gonna do me? You just gonna hang out on me? No. Come on, let's get in. There you go. There you go. Thank you. Oh, it's like your shirt. You're a little chilly. I see what you did there. You a little What? You just too cute for me. Let me get this seatbelt on you real quick. Hey, whoa. What's this? What's this? Slide back in. No. No. You stay right there, okay? There you go. Play with your toy and wait. It's a fight, but it's worth it. Check my boy out. He in there, locked and loaded. You ready to roll, T3? You ready? You ready to go? Yeah. It's nap time for him. He probably gonna be asleep by the time we get up the road a little bit, but you not. My bad, he not, y'all. We about to. He just put his toy on the ground, so. Hold on. Nah, he don't want it. Let's roll, people. We here. It's time to put my boy in the game. Come on. Yeah. Come on. He like, where your arm? Oh, you right. He like, where your arm at? Come on. Hey. Come on. Yeah. Come on. That's what we do and how we do. Sometimes I get out. I like to let him climb. It helps him build some strength. It helps him build strength. Yeah. Now it's time to go. Yes, it do. It do help you. Yes, it do. It do help you build strength. Yes, you. How you know it don't? I'm trying to tell you something. Just take the game and run with it, man. You know what I'm saying? All right. What you think, man? No? You can't say no to everything. You gotta say yeah to something. You not feeling Home Depot right now? All this stuff around. Not right now, T3. But you look so enthused. So happy. Feel like you're having the greatest time ever. See? You really be taking it all in, don't you? This is why we're here. This is why we came. Big shoes plywood. He rather pay attention to people. This is why we're here, to get this taken care of for the box. What you think? Yeah? Yeah or no? You gonna give me a yes? Or you still saying no? Uh-oh. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Let's roll. Oh, you like the lumber, huh? This the part you like? I feel that. Okay. Julie knows. Now this is his favorite part of the entire process. Wait till that sauce comes. Uh-oh. You like that? You like that? One day he may be doing that. You gonna do that one day? He's taking it all in right now. You tired now, ain't you? You got this look in your eye like you sleepy. You ready for that nap? When you go back on the car, you're gonna be out. Uh-oh. This whole time, uh-oh. Ooh, yeah, sleep time. Mwah. You sleeping? All right, I'll give you your nap later. I had to fix my boy collar, man. Yeah. I had his little shoulder messed up, and now I got him right. My bad, son. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Thank you, bro. Yeah. Oh. Are you enjoying yourself? No? Well, you will one day. Trust me. Got the wood, people. Yeah. Now it's time to get the cutting guy. Let's roll. 2, 3. We got the saw guy. You like it? You holding on to it. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Oh. Thank you, man. Now we have to get some hinges. Oh. It's not the hinge roll. Is this the hinges roll? Is this the hinges roll, T3? You know? Okay. Nope. Nope. Next one. No, I was right. Nope. Next one. Sure, man. Now we gotta get the hinges. Excuse me, gentlemen.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you good.
Say, hey. This is where we at. We got the hinges. You ready to roll? You ready to go? Or you still want to hold on to that and try to bring that with you?
Uh-oh. I see you. Come on, let's roll. Give me 5. Let's go. We're done. We're done. We're done, yeah. Give me 5. Hey, 5. Psh, my 5. Give me my 5. Psh, give me my 5. Hey, you know, my 5 is sad. You give me 5? Yeah, give me 5. Yeah, thank you, man. T3, look, T3. You was excited about Home Depot, understood.